Hello and welcome back. So, the people have started talking about the corrections. They're asking that are we heading towards the correction now? How far we are from the correction? So, I thought let's talk about it. So, first of all, no one can pinpoint the date from which the correction will start. However, we can analyze what is happening in our market, what is happening in in the US market, in the other developed markets, as well as the other asset classes, and then try to make sense, like what is happening at the moment, and if there is really a correction on the way. So, uh, on that note, let's analyze what is happening in our market first. Uh, so this is the chart of Nifty, and I would also like to talk something about the correction first, to all those viewers who have just started out and all those who are beginners. So first, before we go ahead and analyze the charts, let's understand what is a correction. So, a correction simply means that when prices, stops moving in the direction of its prior established trend. So, if we are in an uptrend, which means that prices are making higher highs and higher lows, they stop making these new highs and lows, and probably they start moving in a range, or they will make new lows. Then we can say that it is a correction phase. Same goes when we are in a downtrend. So downtrend means that prices are making new higher, new lower lows and low highs. So when they stop moving it, when prices stop moving in that direction, and they start to moving in a range, or probably start making higher lows, we can say that we are in a correction phase now. That said, correction can also be bifurcated in two parts. So there is something called a time correction, and there is a price correction. Now, what is a time correction? Time correction means that instead of prices, uh, making new lows while in an uptrend, they begin to move in a range. Range means almost same highs and lows. So that is called a time correction. So when prices are in an uptrend and they begin to move in a range, that is still bullish, because it simply means that prices are not falling. So that is called a time correction. Whereas the price correction simply means that prices start to making lower highs and lower lows while in an uptrend. That means that prices have started falling down. So that is called a price correction. So now, that said, let's analyze the chart and let's see that what is happening at the moment in our market. So this is the Nifty chart. Uh, so here is a daily time frame. This is an hourly. This is 15-minute, and this is 5-minute. Now, why I have opened these four different time frames? Well, that because to understand that how prices are behaving in these different time frames. Now, daily is a very is a commonly followed time frame, which most of us see to understand that where the prices are moving, what is the main trend at the moment. Whereas all the other time frames like hourly, 15-minute and 5-minute are the intraday time frames. So if I have to take the position intraday, these inter time frames, they are important in that style of trading. So in a daily time frame, we have seen that prices have seen some sort of selling pressure, on this day, and then the next day. However, what it did today was that it took the low of this selling day and it came back up. Now, this means that from these lows, from somewhere these lows, which is like 17,240-ish level, buyers again stepped up and they moved the prices back in the range. Now, although this bar has negated the prior selling day to like over like around or over 80%, and which is bullish. However, I would be more comfortable going long if this bar today has completely taken out the prior selling day and somewhere closed at the high, somewhere here. That would be more bullish to me. However, that said, prices are still in a strong and healthy uptrend in daily time frame. We have not seen the breach of any major support as of now. To me, this is the first level of support. This is the first reference point, and this is around 16,500 level. Sorry, this is around 16,300 level. And if prices will start moving down and it will breach this first reference point, then to me this would be something to concern about. In the daily time frame, it has given us the first indication by making this new low. So however, this is just a first low. We need more data to come to some part of some sort of conclusion and to decide that if we are still in a correction phase or not. But to me, as of now, there is no major thing has happened that I can say that we have we can see the correction soon. So that said, uh, if we see that we have seen that some of the US markets like Dow Jones, if you see, this is the chart of Dow Jones. We have seen that prices have gapped down. They have started moving down from this day. They have breached the support area also, and yesterday it gapped down. So we have started seeing the cracks in the US market. The same has happened in the spiders, which is index of 500 stocks. So this it has also breached the first reference point of support here. So that tells us that yes, something is happening around the world. Same is the case with some of the European markets as well. Uh, so far, but as far as the Indian markets are concerned, we have not seen anything like that. If we see where is gold, so gold is still in the range bound. Price action is still in the range bound, and there is not much movement. So this is the first reference point for me, and prices broke below it. They came back into the range, and now they are just consolidating. So there is no major activity we have seen as of now after this crack. If we see the the 10-year Indian bond yields, so we have seen that uh, that the price the yields are going down, which means that that prices of the bond have gone up. So because the yields move inversely from its price. So that said, uh, we need some of the some more data. We have to analyze some more sectors to understand that what is happening. So far, it doesn't look that you know a major sort of correction is coming. Uh, if we go and check some of the sectors like banking. So banking is like, again, banking index, which is Nifty Bank, is still in an uptrend. No major crackdown here. Financials are also up. So these are the major sectors of the Indian market. IT, it's still very bullish. So the major index, which is Nifty, and some of the major indices like bankings and IT. So in nowhere we have seen that prices are coming down. So until they have started to breach the first reference point, the first level of support, and started moving down, or started going range bound, or at least stop making the new higher highs and higher lows, we cannot say that we are in a correction phase. So that said, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please subscribe the channel. Do share your feedback. Uh, please suggest what kind of analysis you are looking for. If there is any stocks or any other asset class in which you want me to do the analysis for you, please share it in the comment box. Thank you for now. Bye.